to our Python tutorial. In this video, we're learning how to text the variables together in Python using two types different variables. Tip 1. Create variables. Here, name is a string variable that stores sum. And is an integer variable that stores 18. So we now have a name and the age. Get start. Step 2. Printing using commas. This is the easiest way to print text variables together. Python automatically adds spaces between each part. Step 3. Printing using string concatenation. In this method, we join or concate text using the plus operator, but notice we use string age engage of this age that because you can only join strings together, not number. So strings age convert to integer 18 into the string 18. And that's it for today. We just learned two ways to print variables with text in Python. If you found this helpful, give it and don't forget to subscribe for more Python tips.